in this video I'm gonna explain about the new OnePlus 6 smartphone. So you have a doubt, where is the OnePlus 6? It does not launch it. But today in this video I'm gonna explain about new OnePlus 6 smartphone. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. We make. Friends, hope you think this is a fake video, but I have talked about how the OnePlus looks. So I am talking about the design leaked online. The overall OnePlus 6, how it looks and the design only, but not the specifications, right? Because the OnePlus 6 launched in Q2 2018. So present information I will share with you, and also will share the design how the OnePlus 6 is. As it was a rumor, as I am saying, this is about the leaked image, not the real image. The pictures. Now coming to the design, it has edge to edge display and also with the iPhone X notch. As I previously said, all companies are copying Apple iPhone X notch. In the back, it has symmetric body on the back which make it premium, but attracts fingerprints. So that was not an issue. You can look it was like a premium. Now according to the report, it suggested support OnePlus 6 with the model number P7819. Will come with specification 6GB RAM and 8.1 Oreo, and other details are not available. So now let's totally talk about the design. The OnePlus 6, they have changed the entire design of OnePlus 6. It has edge-to-edge display and has small iPhone X notch, and the camera setup is completely changed. This time they copied the Samsung as per rumors. The fingerprint sensor is not under the display. So we had a rumor that OnePlus 6 will bring the fingerprint sensor underneath the display. But you can see in the image the fingerprint is back down the camera module. Flagship phone, as the smartphone comes with Snapdragon 845 chipsets. That's a good thing because OnePlus bring flagship processors and flagship phone every 1 year. Overall video of OnePlus 6 smartphone. The OnePlus 6 smartphone design is completely changed and it comes with iPhone X notch. So if the design was true, the phone looks like a premium, but it was a copy of Apple. This small video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. So today I want to share my feelings about the OnePlus 6. So I have done this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and also hit the like button.